Using Synthesis AI is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Synthesis AI. After that, click to open its site. Once you get into Synthesis AI Studio, you can find the latest update bell icon from the top right corner. Tap on it to see the latest update of the synthesis. Then you have the My Studio file icon in which you can see the details regarding your studio. Now you have the display theme mode through which you can make the display theme dark or light, whatever you prefer. You can create a new project by clicking on Create a New Project button from the bottom of the dashboard, in which you can create AI voices, human text or video, and images. Click to create AI images, then pass the instructions of the image you want to create, like a lion cub swimming in the pool wearing a safety jacket. After passing the instructions, you can get the images in a few minutes exactly the way you want them. You can change the picture settings from the left side dashboard. You can set the ratio, artist, illustrations, art style if you want to. Otherwise, click to download the images. Save the images in any file or folder you want, then you can see the downloading process from the top bar.